Hi, today I'm going to go through a quick tutorial of how to edit and use your blog. It seems I misplaced the original, so I'm making another quick one. Once you log into Weebly, and for you guys, you would go to the website students.weebly.com. Once you log in there, you'll come to this screen. So the first thing you always are going to do is to go to Edit, and once you click on Edit, it will open up your entire blog. So right now, you guys have created a home page, and you've created a blog page. I'm using our 7a, so there's a lot of other pages here. But ultimately, you're always going to go to your blog page. Anytime we're adding a post, it's through our blog. You don't put this on your home page. Your home page will be designed at some other point. We'll give you a day to do your home page. But you're going to go ahead and click on your blog page. And once it loads, you will see that it now says a new post, and anything that you've done in the past is on the blog. So you can go in and edit any of these if you want. To make a change, let's suppose I didn't like something on this blog, I can click Edit. And now I'm able to go in and change that post. So I noticed that Mr. Pennington put the beechwood, blah, blah, blah. We put our stuff here. And when I get down to the bottom, I look at categories. I didn't have one. So I'm going to put in categories. That was what I needed. Vokey. Vokey, Abe, absent work, okay? So those are the two topics. Now when I save that, you're going to notice over here on this side, there'll be new ones that say Vokey and absent work. So I'll save to live. Once you've published the blog, you just save to live and it's live on the web. It will appear. But we're always doing a new post, so you just click New Post. It's going to build a new page for you. Or actually, not a new page, it's going to build a post. And what I've always talked to you guys about is, I mentioned in my class, I don't like you to start with this one that just says, in this box, type here. So I like to actually delete that one. And I just am comfortable and think it looks better to click this and drag it down. Because that allows you to put a picture up. And the title to this blog that you're working on, again, the title represents whatever the topic is. We're going to do Enduring Impacts because that's the one that you're working on. And so I'm going to click inside and start to type. I will follow the rubric to build this. Okay, and I'm not going to actually type all the answers and do everything. You would have to add that information. To put pictures up, it's about enduring impacts. So I'm going to quickly open up here and go to, I don't know, what's a good one? Lighthouse. So I'm going to get some picture of a lighthouse, okay? For purposes here, I'm just going to use a Google search. We've talked a little bit about Creative Commons, but I'm just going to pick one, so that's a cool image. So for my blog, I'm going to just drag this onto my desktop, and I now have that and go back to my Weebly. I click here, and I should have on my desktop already, I click to upload my file. I should have on my desktop a screenshot of a lighthouse. Whoops, that's not it, I bet. Let me scroll down if I can get it down. It's probably this one. No, it's not that one. I'm looking at the dates, trying to find the right date. Am I on my desktop? Yeah. Oh, I bet it's this. Nope. Okay, maybe I didn't drag it off to my desktop. Let's just see if... Yeah, I'll just go get it again. That's bad. Yeah, see if it took. There it is. It's there. So now I should go back and be able to find that. Sorry. See, they have it as this. I wasn't looking at the right name. Okay, so I say OK, and it's going to upload. It shows you in the right corner down here that it's uploading file. You then are supposed to continue to type. Oh, I forgot the R. Okay, I'm going to continue to type. I'm going to put I know I have to put the state standard. Okay, I've got to define some words. I'm then going to explain what I learned. Okay, and let's say I'm going to add more about, I'm just showing you that this will expand. Okay, then it says for you to include 5 images with captions. And it says to use the photo gallery. Well, that's under multimedia. So you can drag down Photo Gallery, and it's going to allow you to upload a variety of pictures at once. Okay, so I'm going to do this easy, I guess. I'm going to go to, I guess in my Google search. Well, let's do this. Not that you would ever do this. I might look up, I'm just going to get a variety of lighthouses and take some screenshots, even though you would have to go out and get a variety. So I take that screenshot, I go back. I might go get gunpowder. Of course, I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to get gunpowder. And we'll pretend this is gunpowder. Okay. And remember, I'm using a Mac, so I can do Command-Shift-4 for screenshots. People using PCs have to use the print screen. And let me do one more real quick. Let's look up, compass. That's an enduring impact. I could have done Romance languages. I could have done, civil law. You can do images for anything you want. Oh, I don't know. We'll use this one. Now, the reality would be I would go through and probably do ancient Chinese compass so I get the actual image. I'm just trying to show you how to build. Now, I've done 3, so I can click, and it allows me to upload multiples at once. There's one. There's the ones I just took, so I can shift and click all 3 and say upload. And while I let them go, it's going to upload all 3 images. Boom, boom, and boom. Well, it's not so fast, I guess. But it'll upload all 3 images. The other piece that's really nice is you should continually publish live when you do things. Otherwise, what may happen is you may lose something. Let's suppose the web goes out, or if I shut my laptop lid right now, this is all lost. None of it will be saved. So before you leave a classroom when you're working on your blog, you always have to go up to the top, and I'm going to do that right now. Go to the top, and I'm going to say, publish live, so that it's out on the web. And now I can always go back and edit, but that way if things close, I'm not going to lose the work I've done so far. It then said for each image I had to write a caption. So by clicking on the image, you get a caption link. The lighthouse from Egypt. Okay, and I could do this for each one. I could also, if I wanted, after I've done it, I'm not saving those. I just did the one. I could also put links, so I could link it out onto the website, out onto a web to learn more about that topic, which is a nice option. So what I'm going to do right now is, let's say I'm done. I've met my rubric. I've done the state standards. I've defined all these words. I've done this all. I'm going to save to live one more time. And now I really haven't done it, but let's go to the page. And here's students for tomorrow. And let me reload the blog page. So I reload it. And here's what we see. My post is up. I see my title, I see my pictures. Let's click on this image and see if it works. It blows it up when you do it in this format, which is a really nice feature because you can put lots of images and make them small, and it does show you your caption down here. Now, when you get down to the bottom, I look, oh, wait a sec. I said add, this is a blog post, but that shouldn't be there. So now I know I got to go back and change some things. So I'm going to scroll down. I scrolled way too far. And I see this. What's this for? Yeah, I don't know what's going on there. That shouldn't be there. So let me see if I can fix that. So I go back. If I could get back. I'm going to edit. I want to go down there and see what's going on. Sorry that this bounces so quickly. See, it's a box. I never deleted it. So I just click and delete that. I didn't put any caption in, so I'll put enduring impact. I'll put it one word. That way it shows up as one word. I could also put enduring impacts ancient. I could put in, well, let's leave it at that. I can now then save to live. That'll be fixed. I'm going to show you one more thing. Let's suppose I want to add an answer garden. And we've done these. You've done them in our blog, so I just create one. I'm going to say, and really this is any embed topic. Most important enduring impact seen today. I see a typo. There we go. I don't need to fill in any of these, and I'm really doing this for other reasons. I create. And the thing is, it builds this page for me, but I want to put it in my blog. So a lot of times you see something like share. So I click share. Down at the bottom I see there's an embed code. So I copy that, go back to my blog. I'm going to edit it one more time. Okay. I am then going to go to more, drag down custom HTML, and actually I'm going to put it right at the top. I can put it at the bottom, I can put it anywhere I want. Comes in, I click inside the box, I delete that and paste my code and click off. Now it takes a second for this to load, but it loaded. Okay, my blog is now complete, I'm happy with it. I save to live. It's now out on the web. I go here and you look and you're like, wait a second, it still says that. This stuff, it didn't work. Well, you got to reload the page. So we reload the website and voila. All of our information is now on the web, and somebody reading my blog could immediately type in my answer garden. They could see my blog post. There is no more at the bottom is gone. If we look over at our, sorry this moves so quick, I apologize for that. We could look over at the archives, we see answer garden, we now see enduring, and impacts, and we see the word ancient. So all of those things I did are now on there. And so that's how you do an edit to your blog. One last thing, you decide you don't like your blog, just delete it. Are you sure you want to delete the whole post? Yep. And if you go back and reload this page, you're going to notice that that post will completely disappear. And there you go. It's already gone. It's disappeared. And now I've learned how to add a complete post. All right, have a good day.